Oh, hello.
I didn't see you there.
I'm Jared Murphy, CEO at the Wurly Birds.
And here at the Wurly Birds, we take Christmas very seriously.
Especially Christmas music.
Did someone say Christmas music? Did someone say Christmas music? Did someone say Christmas music?
As a matter of fact, Matt, he did say Christmas music.
Pues la verdad es que me apetece tocar un villancico.
Find it in your heart. You bring my gifts, will never fall apart. I know that I've been really bad. Mama found those dirty no mags, but I swear that better luck next year. That's like cricket sneer. Mr. Nicholas, can you find it in your heart? You bring my gifts, will never fall apart. Mr. Nicholas, can you find it in your heart? You bring my gifts, will never fall apart.
Dear Mr. Nicholas, if you can hear this, I've been real good this year. You can find it in your heart to take me over the naughty list. I'd really like a 22 rifle and a tree stand just like Daddy's. Some new camo, some no-no mags my own, a pair of Ariats, some Kid Rock CDs, a slingshot, some candy cigarettes, my own stash of nacho cheese Doritos, that new zombie video game. Some of those things hang down on the back of the pickup aisle. I was seeing my daddy on Wednesdays. I see him on the back